Marketing agencies are finding it harder and harder to sell website SEO services. Website SEO has been the number one way for a marketing agency to make money in the past, but there's a reason why it's getting harder and harder to sell. And that reason is that it's just run its course. Business owners are weary of SEO, and the SEO landscape has changed to where optimizing your website to rank higher on Google just doesn't pay off anymore. I'm going to show you exactly why that is and what you can do for your agency to make sure that you have a way to keep building income for your business so you can continue to grow and completely automate it. So to start, I'm going to do a Google search, which is what 90-something% of people will do when they're looking for something in their area. I did a search for pest control Santa Monica, and this is just one of the reasons why it's no longer useful to do website SEO. I'm going to break down where the number of clicks go on this video. One is about 2% of people are going to click on one of these sponsored ones, right? That's nothing. Then about 85% of people are going to click on one of these businesses here or click more businesses to see the Google Maps results, right? 85% of people are going to click on these, and 74% of those people are going to make a purchase within 24 hours. If we keep scrolling, you can see that only about 14% or so of people are going to click on one of the website links. And the website links for most local search results are dominated by the big aggregators today, like Yelp and Angie's List, Bark, and so on. And so it just isn't feasible, right? There's probably 1,000 pest control businesses in Santa Monica. And if you're not in the top 3 for the websites, you're probably not going to get any traffic at all. And so really you need to focus on your Google business profile, because this is where everyone's going to go to find you. And again, it's really important that you're here, but not just here, but at the very top, because the percentage of clicks that each of the businesses gets drops significantly the lower you are in the rankings. An estimated result looks like this, where 30% of people will click on the number 1 Google business listing, 20% will click on the second one, 15% on the third, 10% on the fourth, and then after that, you can see it drops off to where if you're number 10, you're only getting about 2% of all the clicks, right? That's not really going to help your business. But on the flip side, let's say that you are ranking number 9 today and you go to number 2, that is a 10x in the number of calls and customers you're going to get from Google, which is the number 1 place that people go to find local businesses. And so if you're a marketing agency that's looking for ways to have an easier thing that you can sell to grow your agency, then you need to look at Google Business Profile optimization, because it's just more powerful than traditional website SEO in today's landscape. And the good news is that you don't need to know anything about Google Business Profile Management services to offer it, right? Our business Merchant specializes in this, and it's all that we've done for the last 5 years, and we've helped over 10,000 businesses rank higher on Google Maps. We even have a free GMB audit tool that you can put on your website to help your leads get an automated audit report that, again, you don't need to understand, because your leads will see it, they'll go through it, and they'll get an expert breakdown as though it's from you. We also have a fully automated Google Business Profile Management VA called Page, which optimizes and automates 100% of a local SEO and Google Business Profile Management service. And that has a $1 trial. So if your agency is not growing fast and you're looking for a way to speed it up, then you should definitely have a look at Merchant's product Page. And you might also be interested in the agency program, which comes with a bunch of tools and perks that'll help you grow your agency faster. So if your agency is stuck, check out Merchant and how it can help you get into the Google Business Profile Management space as an expert today. And if you found this video useful, please hit it with that like, subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss our future videos. Thank you.